Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your Oppo model and color OS version, and make sure your carrier supports Volte. Once done, insert the SIM and enable mobile data. If you have two SIMs, decide which slot you'll configure. Make sure battery saver is off so system services behave normally. Now open Settings and navigate directly to SIM and Network. This first actionable step exposes the Volte toggle and related network options you will change next. Once you're in SIM and Network, you pick the SIM slot that uses LTE and tap the relevant entry. Look for Enhanced 4G LTE services or Volte call settings. You should toggle Volte on. Doing so lets voice use the LTE radio for clearer calls and faster call setup. If a confirmation dialog appears, accept it and restart the radio by toggling airplane mode off and on. If the option is hidden, open carrier services or update APN settings to ensure the network advertises Volte. After enabling Volte, restart your phone to register with the network and then look for the Volte or HD icon in the status bar. This confirms service activation. Make a test call to verify improved voice quality and faster setup. If you don't see Volte, reopen APN settings and compare values with carrier documentation or toggle the SIM preference between slots. If problems persist, reset network settings, but note down any custom APNs first. That reset often fixes conflicts preventing Volte registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.